Cloud speed is your gateway to AI and the cloud.
You create an access key so you can access AWS services through your access keys. So you come over here, you create a user. So let's name this user MCP. So I'll be using this specific user for all MCP related projects. It says there you want to provide management access to AWS management console. We don't want to provide access to management console, so you don't check that. You click on next, you come here to attach policies directly. So I mentioned that this would be our access key for all MCP related projects. So we only want to provide access to Bedrock. So in case we need more services after this particular project, then we'll come over here and still attach more policies that are relevant. So for this case, we only need full access to Bedrock. So we click on full access to Bedrock. That's all we need. Then you come over here, you click on next. This is it. You create the user. So this case now you are creating. So it was still creating. That's why it showed not available over there on that screen. So user have been successfully created. What you need to do at this point is provide the security credentials, which in this case is your access keys. Come over here, say create access keys. You only need to provide command line interface access. So that's all you need, which is your access key and then your secret key. So you are not providing local code or third party or anything or AWS console. Yeah, we don't need, we can use Cloud Shell for majority of these things, but for this particular project, we cannot use Cloud Shell because we are hosting an application locally. So you click next, and you can provide a simple description like for all MCP related projects. Then you create your access key. So this is your access key, then this is your secret key. I won't show this here. So you can keep this screen, then you can download your .csv file. So you come over here. Let me just save it as access key here. Save it. So it's downloaded to your local computer. So that's all you need. You close this screen. Ensure you save and you protect your access key securely where other people will not have access to it. So that's basically all you need to request an access key and grant it the necessary permissions.
Cloud speed is your gateway to AI and the cloud. We make videos showing you the latest in tech, and we break down the real-world use cases. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.